Casanova's first time in the snow. How old are you now, Casanova? 8 months? No, you're 10 months old. Look. What do you think of the snow, Casanova? Do you like the snow? This is Chanel's third year in the snow. This is your first time. What do you think? Yeah, not too cool, huh? Or too cool? What do you think, Chanel? You gonna come down the stairs? Yeah? Is it too cold for your paws? Yeah, I don't think you guys can try. It's just snow. There's no salt on it, no nothing. Come on. It's just snow. What do you think, Chanel? What do you think? No? You decided no? No? I guess not, huh? Oh well. You're just gonna hang out there? Okay, at least we know what you're gonna do. What's Casanova doing? Hi, Casanova! No, you can't go on there. Don't jump in there either. Casanova! You shouldn't do anything you don't know. Casanova.
Chanel's outside too.
Casanova. Casanova, don't do it. Don't do it.
Mom, should I shut the door?
Sure. Where's
No,
Chanel?
Oh, she's outside too.
Chanel, where are you going?
Casanova wants to come in.
Let him in.
Casanova, do you want to come in? Okay.
He's a little... No, leave the door open.
I'll leave the door open a bit.
Where did Chanel go?
Oh my gosh, Chanel's in another car.
Oh. Hi, Darby.
Can I bring Casanova inside?
Yeah, bring Casanova inside. Casanova, it's time to go in.
See if you get him from inside.
Okay, it's time to go in. Yeah. No, you're not allowed to be out here.
I keep passing you. Casanova, walk this way. It's warm this way.
Go ahead, Casanova, go inside.
You get Chanel from you get Chanel.
Okay.
Did you have to bring her in?
Chanel, this is not a good spot for you. Let's go. What are you doing? Okay, you gotta go home. Okay, here you go. There you go. Let's go inside. I think that was a good experience. Oop, there she goes. See you later, Chanel. I have to put some Christmas ornaments outside. No, right on the heater. Should have known. No, Casanova, you're not going to come out. You guys just can hang out on the heater. That's where you guys usually like to hang out. Bye, guys. Okay.